Hi. We invented the hang-off for like everything that you need to hang up, like clothes, your shirt, your shoes, your pants, and accessories like bracelets and necklaces. And if you look at this is our original design. These are little C's that we got because we couldn't find any clips. And then this is what it was printed on. The 3D printer. Fabulous 3D printer.
So this isn't really an invention. It's just upgrading something. The reason most minifigures are based off like something of a show or something, or like or just something, or like just acting like. But this is like it's random. Like it could be anything, like a dragon, or you can just make anything.
Can we see it?
There's tons of.
Let's see. Hold it up here.
This is only one type.
That looks great.
I guess I'm a natural at 3D printing.
Okay, so this is called the Shinko. When you put it under your soccer sock, it has a built-in fan that will cool the whole area down in your feet and your socks for both legs. And then this is our original design on the 3D printer. And it printed out to be this. And we probably shouldn't have made it bigger because it doesn't even fit on your shelf very well.
But it's a prototype, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can we take a look at that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yep. Very nice.
So basically, we wanted something that was a hologram, and it was originally just like a basic phone idea where it would help you keep track of your calendar.
Like a Siri.
Yeah, but then it evolved into something where you could do a keyboard and play video games and watch TV. It kind of evolved into basically all technology with holograms into one.
Like calendars, lists.
Yeah, and then it's basically a phone because you could call someone on it. And so this was our model on Tinkercad, and this was our actual model we did with the 3D printer, and its name is Viva. It means live in Spanish, but you would call it Viva Audio.
Yeah, that's audio.
And then I made the case, which is like this, and basically you can put this inside of it, and the keyboard, and the controller.
Yes, you would take apart this, and then you could take off the keyboard and just set it in here.
Hello, this is our product. It is called Pete's Edible Paints. It's basically a paint that is edible. You paint with it and then you can eat it. It is how we made it. We got a cylinder, then we basically made a hole in it, and here's the top right here. There are 3 sizes: large, small, and medium. The small, $150, the medium, $350, and the large, $550. It's really fun. You can find it at Target or Walmart, and hope you buy it. And here is the product right here, and here's the top. And this is our product, Pete's Edible Paints. Hope you check it out, and it's really fun.
Okay, so this is what we created. It is called the trash compacting bot.
We designed it on the 3D printer, and now it looks like this.
Then printed it out.
And then we printed it out. It will be much bigger than this. And
So, like, you would put it on any surface that you have. Then, I mean, you should probably put some kind of container under this spout right here.
right there.
Yeah, there. So then you will put the waste, as in trash, into this spout, well, like this hole right here. It'll go through a system in the big block in the center. Then it will come out in like a strip of trash
That's why you
do
need like
this
something
too.
under here to,
Yeah.
like a container or something.
Yeah.
That you and the waste or the strip will be something that can be used and used for something else.
Yeah, like you could even build. Well, it would be great for an architect to use because they
It
could
comes
build
out
like
like-
models of the building they're gonna
Well,
make.
we are doing the Posse Fruit, and it holds fruits, and when they chew on it, they get all the juice out of it.
Yeah, so basically it's like a pacifier, but you could put like, say, like a strawberry in there or something, so that way babies can chew on it and get the nutrients out of a slot here without choking on fruit. This is the finished product that we printed in the 3D printer. We didn't put it together, but it's 2 pieces in there.